Hello everybody, it's Tom and Jerry Fan64 here, and I apologize if I haven't done a review yesterday. I just couldn't find a movie to watch, but the movie I'm going to be reviewing is a movie that I know a lot of people don't like. This movie has a 0% on Rotten Tomatoes, but since I reviewed the first Highlander movie, I'm going to be reviewing Highlander 2: The Quickening. And the version of the movie I watched was the Renegade version because I heard the Renegade version is better than the theatrical version. I do have to get this movie for my collection. I'm only going to stick with the first two Highlander movies. Depending on if the Highlander remake is good, I probably will get that one. Depending on who stars in it. But like I said when I reviewed the original Highlander, I am not looking forward. I have very, very low expectations. I have little to no expectations about the reboot of Highlander. I don't even know why they're remaking it. But we'll see how it is. I'm probably going to see it due to me loving the original and this one. This one I thought wasn't as good as the first one. Like I said, this movie has a 0% on Rotten Tomatoes, but I heard the Renegade version's better. I do hope to get the VHS and DVD of this one. This one I think is very, very underrated sequel. This is a guilty pleasure of mine, and I will do a video tomorrow of my... I'm thinking about doing a video of my top 15 biggest guilty pleasure movies tomorrow, or my top 20 tomorrow. I'm hoping I can do it tomorrow, but we'll see. So yeah, this movie was pretty good. It's not as good as the original, obviously, but it was really nice seeing Christopher Lambert and Sean Connery reprising their roles, and rest in peace to Sean Connery. And this movie, I believe, this movie also has John C. McGinley as one of the bad guys, I think. And I think Michael Ironside was in this movie. I might have to recheck if Michael Ironside was in this movie. I think he was, because he played the main villain. And this was a really great, really good sequel. I think this movie's not great, but it's a really good sequel. I think it's a guilty pleasure of mine. It's one of my biggest guilty pleasures, next to the Inspector Gadget movies that were released by Disney. This movie was actually really, really good. It's not great, but it's a pretty underrated movie, if you ask me. An underrated sequel. Even though it does not deserve a 0% on Rotten Tomatoes, I think this deserves maybe a 42. Or maybe 49. But I think this movie is still a really good movie. But in my opinion, I would give this movie like a 49 or 50. This movie is not a bad movie in my personal opinion. And I really wanted to see this movie, so I decided to see it. And I made an error when I talked about Highlander. I don't know. I'm hoping I can get the 4K Steelbook, the Lionsgate Steelbook, 4K Steelbook of Highlander, but we'll have to see if I can be able to pre-order that. We'll see. It's not for sure that... I forgot to clarify in my Highlander movie review when I reviewed the original that there might be a chance that I won't be able to get the Steelbook, but I'm hoping I can get the 4K Steelbook sometime. Or I might maybe get the 4K Steelbook or the 4K, one of the two. But yeah, I'm going to give the movie Highlander 2: The Quickening a 6.5 out of 10 stars. So yeah, 6.5 stars, 6.5 out of 10 stars. And I'm going to give it a C-. Yeah, this movie, if you guys like the first movie, I recommend it, but be aware, if you're not a fan of the original, which I can't imagine, but to all you guys that hate this movie, I respect your opinion if you hate this sequel. I do respect your opinion. I'm not one of those people that disrespects people's opinions, though. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to give Highlander 2: The Quickening, the Renegade version, a 6.5 out of 10 stars and a C+. It's definitely the newest guilty pleasure movie in my guilty pleasure movies. It's definitely my newest guilty pleasure movie and yeah. So yeah, that is it. And I will try to review the Guardians of the Galaxy Holiday Special tomorrow, and I might review Werewolf by Night tomorrow. But I know for sure I'm going to review the Guardians of the Galaxy Holiday Special tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please don't hate me for my opinion. I hope you guys respect my opinion. I do respect yours. But I personally enjoyed this movie. So yeah, that is it for my review of Highlander 2, The Quickening, in which I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're generous enough, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribe, plus it really helps out. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye everybody, adios. Have a good day.